Welcome back to my channel. It's Essencetierra here. So today I am actually standing in my apartment because, drum roll please, I am finally doing the long awaited apartment tour. Fully furnished. My apartment is finally ready to be shown to the world, and I'm super excited to show you guys. Number one, you guys can see my journey, me elevating and seeing my new spot. And then number two, I got some really great pieces in here that are super inexpensive, and I know a lot of people are moving and getting their own spot or redecorating. So just wanted to tell you guys where I got some of the things that I purchased and where you can find the cutest pieces. So go ahead and give it a thumbs up now. Hit that subscribe button. Also, remember I do post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so you guys will have a lot more videos coming from me. But anyway, enough of me rambling. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Unfortunately, I don't have anybody to record me to show you guys everything, so I gotta carry the camera myself, but that's okay because I know how to get all the good angles. So where I'm standing is in the front. So this is the very first thing. Like, this is the front door. I got a little stick on my door because, you know, you're gonna keep the strangers out. I got this really cute little key hooked. I actually got this from Target. These were about $9, $9.99, like $10. My best friend actually has the matching one, but hers is like a darker gray. All right, and then next to the front door is just this little closet here. And I pretty much just got like a lot of YouTube stuff in here. My comforter came in that. Little hookah over there, you don't see it, but it's there. And just like junk, whatever I don't want to be seen, I put it in there. But I do think this is supposed to be a coat closet, but who's gonna put their coats in there? Like, I don't have time for that. Although that would make it easier, like if I'm leaving, just grab my coat before I leave the door. I don't know. So right here is my little dining area. Don't mind that box over there. I'm actually taking that back to Walmart. This is my dining area. I actually got this table here from my mother. So before my mom passed, she had this table in her living room, in her dining room in the kitchen. So I kept it because I was like, maybe one day I'll get my own spot and I'll have a table. I tried to stain it, didn't do good, but the table still looks really nice in here. And these this lamp actually came with the apartment, so I did not have to do anything there. And then I love these three blue paintings here. I got all three of those from At Home, which is like in Stockbridge. At Home and Stockbridge. They were about $20 a piece, so I spent about $60 on all of them. But they were so worth it. I wanted a painting that was like really big. I just knew that I wanted something like that. So I found these three. They're all separate paintings, but I just put them all together. And then I just have my little trash can and another stick. Right here is the utility closet. I don't go in there because why should I? Alright y'all, so here is my kitchen, my beautiful kitchen. My kitchen is the favorite part, my favorite part of my apartment. I absolutely love it. So let's kind of go through everything. You got your air fryer. I love my countertops. They're white, but they also have like, I don't know if you can see, but they have little sparkles in them with the white cabinets. Super gorgeous. I got these from Home Goods. I like them because they're like a nude, so they match my floors. But they also have the blue in them. Got these from Home Goods. They came as a pack. They're about $10. This really cute plant right here I got from Target. I wanted my apartment to have like a very boho style. I wanted to have a lot of plants and just like a lot of greenery. I have this cute little cook here. Actually, my ex's sister bought it for us for our apartment, but I kept it. Well, he let me have it because I guess he didn't need it. It's a little bit more girly. So I just cleaned it up and I put it on top of there. I feel like it's really great because it is gray like everything else. Over on this side, you just have your dishwasher, which I never use. And then I got this really cute wine holder from Target as well. Y'all, I swear this whole thing was full. I drank it all. Like, I don't know how I did that, but I did. Toaster was from Walmart, obviously. And then I got this really cute like air filter. Oh, that was actually a birthday gift. So, and then in my cabinets, I just have my glasses, and I went with all white. I got all of that stuff from IKEA, and you can get like a really big set of like 60 for about $20. So I just did that. And I have really deep sink, which is what I absolutely loved about it. Love that part. This, I believe I got it from Ross. It's just a clear soap thing, but I loved it because it's silver. It matches, and whatever color soap you put in there, you can see it. Love that. And then my cute little tray here. My grandmother actually bought this. I think she got this from Marshall's. Either Marshall's or Burlington. And then I just have a cute little Yankee candle, some air freshener on here. And then I got this plant from my grandmother a few years ago. And it's not real, but I kept it, and it's actually really perfect right here. And then I have my ring so I can see if anybody trying to come in. I got you on candy camera. And then I just have my Apple Watch plugged in right there. So that is my cute little kitchen. I love my floors. Love it. And then in here it's just the laundry room. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Just basic little laundry room stuff. So let's go ahead and go over to my living room, which I put a lot of work into. Just because I don't know, like I was super excited to decorate my living room. Really, I was excited to decorate, period, because y'all know this is my first place. But I was really excited to decorate my living room because I never, yeah, because, I don't know, I was just excited. So let me go ahead and show you guys my living room. So my living room has all carpet, and she is gorgeous. So right here, I just have a little mirror, my infamous mirror. I take all of my little selfie pictures. Ooh, child looking fat. I take all of my little selfie pictures right here. Over here I have my TV hung up on the wall. I think it's like a 55-inch. Hung up on the wall. And then over here I have my entertainment center. I got the entire entertainment center from IKEA. And then I got these over here as a matching set. I got these from At Home. They're about $14.99 a piece. Definitely a staple. And then this little basket I just got from Ross. And I bought these Smell Good pine cones. They have like a Christmassy wood cinnamon type of smell to them. Really love those because it actually makes the room smell really good. These little balls here, I got these from Ross. And that the bin that they're in was actually my grandmother's. She let me have that, and she's had it for a long time. I don't know where she got that. This vase was my grandmother's as well. This was actually in our old apartment, but it matched my new apartment, so I brought it with me. This little thing here just sprays air freshener every 5 minutes or so. And I got that from Kroger for like $9, and it smells so delicious. And everything has a little space. This right here is actually just a regular candle holder. I don't remember where I got that from because I've had it for forever. But I do, oh, did I get it from Target? No, Marshall's. Sorry, y'all. Got this little candle holder from Marshall's. Super cute. I usually keep flowers in here and I sit it on my coffee table. But I gotta get some more flowers. So I just put that over there. This cute little thing right here, I actually got it from Target. Target has the cutest little plants like those. And they're like $5. And then this faith sign, I don't remember where I got that from. I really just don't. Of course, my ring light over there, Life of a Tuber. And then I got these really cute curtains, which they match my paintings perfectly. I got my curtains from at home as well, both the blue and the white shears in the center. And then my lovely couch. Y'all, absolutely love my couch because it's so comfortable. It doesn't look like it, but it is. And I have this little throat on here that came from Burlington. And this painting also came from, where did I get that? Home Goods. This painting came from Home Goods, and I loved it because it has the gold in there, so it ties well with everything that's in here. And then I have this cute little plant over here that my grandmother bought me. I think she got these from Michael's. I wanted to have like a pampas tree, but I couldn't find those. I think they have them on Amazon, but I couldn't find them in the store. So I got these pieces from Michael's. And I don't know where she found that vase at, but I've definitely had that vase for a minute now. My living room, oh, and my coffee table, which is the cutest coffee table ever. It's round and it has wood at the top, and then it has these like dark rails. And I actually got that from Home Goods as well. But it's so perfect in here, and usually, like I said, I will have flowers sitting on top of there. But my flowers died, so I had to put them up. But yeah, that is my gorgeous living room. And I also got a painting right here. I got this painting from Home Goods as well. And I knew something needed to go in this area. I didn't know what. And then I seen this and I was like, it's perfect. Here is my bathroom. I wanted my bathroom to feel like a spa type of resort. So I wanted my bathroom to feel like a spa resort type of feel. So everything is either white or tan or blue like the ocean. Just because I wanted it to be like really, really relaxed in here. And it is. It's so relaxing in here. So when you walk in, you're going to have your mats here. Y'all, what I will say is don't get white floor mats because I'm like constantly either washing these or moving them because everything shows on here. But I got these floor mats from Home Goods. A lot of stuff I got from Home Goods. Floor mats were from Home Goods. My grandmother actually bought me this shower curtain, and I love it because it's so girly. It has little ruffles on it. So super cute. And then I had this like ocean painting that I got from Home Goods as well. I just went to like a bunch of different Home Goods so that I can get everything Home Goods had to offer. So I got this also from Home Goods, and it's so cute. This came from Target. Here I got this from, I think I got this from Burlington. I had bought another one, but I just didn't like it. It was, I don't know, it just wasn't the correct white. So I found this one, and I really like it because it has like little, like texture to it. And then I got this cute little plant. This was actually gifted to me, so I don't know where he got it, but it's so cute. And I just got some more air freshener there. And this actually came on the door, on the wall. So I just put a cute little white little towel here. All of my towels are either white or tan, just because I wanted it to match the bathroom. And those are the light bulbs. So this is my bedroom. As soon as you walk in, the first thing you see are my beautiful windows. They are like almost floor to ceiling. Not really, but sort of kinda. Which really is what sold me on the bedroom. And actually, let me close this so you guys can see a little bit better in here. Now in here, I also wanted to have that hotel feel, that like vacation feel. I wanted my whole apartment to feel that way. So I went with all whites and like tans, and I kept the blue as well. My grandmother gave me these end tables, and I actually had these two end tables in my first apartment in Orlando. And then I got these really cute lamp shades. I bought the lamp shades and the lamp separately. This lamp came with some white lamp shades that were like a square, but I didn't like those, and I just felt like they were too big for the space. So I got this from Oh, it's been so long. I already had these. I can't remember, y'all. But I know for a fact I got these lampshades from Target. Was it Target? It was. Oh, no. Ollie's. Ollie's Furniture is where I got these lampshades. I got my comforter and pillowcases. It did come as a set. I got that from Home Goods. They were about $69 or so. That painting also came from At Home, like the first couple of blue paintings in the front. I got that one, and I love the size of it. It's perfect. This is another one of the throws. It matches the one in the front, and I think they came as a pair. You get like 2 for the price of 1 or something like that. So I just threw it over the bed so that it still matches, still have the same theme. And then of course over here is the table. Fun fact about these end tables, they're actually not the same color at all. I mean, like, they're not the same type. Like, one is completely different from the other, but you can't tell. And I got this lampshade from Ollie's, and I got the lamp from the same place. These curtains again were from At Home. They're the exact same ones. They were in the front. It's just a second pair for the back. And then I got this really cute mirror from IKEA. I got this a long time ago, but I know for a fact they do still have these mirrors at IKEA. And then I got my little TV. This one is just a 50-inch. The other one was a 55-inch. My actual bed was actually also from my mother's house. So this is the bed I used to sleep on. Well, I got new mattress and sheets, but the actual footboard, headboard, and rails, this is the same bed I used to sleep on when I was a little girl. And I just couldn't believe so I kept it. I didn't know. I figured I would need it one day, and I'm so glad that I did. But I kept it, and yeah, so I don't remember where I got this from. It was so long ago. So yeah, but it just was used. But I love it because it has like I don't know, it just has character to it. It has a lot of character to it, and it's just me, so the size of it is perfect. I'm not going to show my closet because she a hot mess right now. And I don't think I told y'all, I got my sofa from Rooms to Go. Actually, from the Rooms to Go outlet is where I got my sofa. And then my big mirror here was from Home Goods. So yeah, now I'm outside on my balcony. I'm not going to show y'all the courtyard because I don't want y'all to know where I stay at. But let me close this door. Y'all know Orlando's small, child. But so let me show y'all my patio furniture. Here's my cute little patio furniture. I absolutely love it. I actually never come out here and sit down. I think today I'm going to come out here and edit some videos. Y'all know I'm allergic to pollen, so. But yeah, this is my little patio. This is also another storage unit, so I have like my Christmas tree in there and like a bunch of other Christmas stuff. And that's where I got it. And oh, I think my grandmother got this stuff from Big Lots. Yeah, I think that's where that came from. But yeah, so that is pretty much it for my apartment tour. I showed you guys literally everything in my apartment, and I also was able to tell you where I purchased everything. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Tomorrow is my birthday, so this video is actually going to be going up tomorrow. Oh no, so maybe I should say today is my birthday. Today is my birthday. So if you're watching this, then tell me happy birthday. Thank you in advance. But yeah, so that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you like some of the pieces that I have, or if it was helpful at all. And that is pretty much it. And welcome to my crib. I'll see you guys in my next video.